This video shows the SPAddLabels command found within the sync pack. This command allows us to place labels and drag them like they're leaders, without having to do the Civil 3D method of placing the label, ending the command, and then dragging the label. As an added benefit, it also will place a different label style in each quadrant relative to the label being labeled. So in this instance, I have left label, right down, and left down. And I can place all four of these styles using one command, using the SPAddLabels command. You can find the command on the Sync Pack 2 tab, the Tools panel, and select Add Labels. It'll open up the Add Multiple Labels command, and I can select the label type that I want to label. In this case, I want to label a surface. Here I can select the label type, spot elevation. Note that not all of the label types available in the Civil 3D command are available in this command. Only the ones that are available are the ones that lend itself to having a drag state. Next, I have a label set, and I can create a label set or reuse an existing one. To create a new one, I can hit the little plus button on the dialog box and enter in a new name and press OK. And now surface test will be available. I can then change the settings I want for surface test. Maybe I want to change the layer. And then I can click Update to make the changes saved. If I want to remove a setting, I can always select it from the list and then hit the little minus, and I'll remove the currently selected label set. Here I can remove saved styles from a selected label, and I can also update an existing label that's already been placed within the drawing. Here I can load styles or load saved label sets from a text file. Once I have all the settings set, I can then press Add, select the surface that I want, and then pick a label location. I can then drag my mouse to the right and the left, or to whatever location that I want, and I can see that the label style will change based on which quadrant I'm in. Here I'm going to select the bottom right down, and then press Enter. And now I have that label here. If I move the label, by default, it won't update to the 4 quadrants. In order to get it to update automatically, I need to toggle that feature on. To toggle it on, I can go to the Sync Pack 2 tab, the Tools panel, and from the drop-down, I can select Add Labels mLeader Toggle. That'll turn the button or the icon from red to green, and that indicates that it's on. And now when I move the label, it'll now toggle between the various label styles that have been set within the dialog box. So it makes it quicker and easier to place labels and then get the correct look, because Civil 3D does a horrible job of it. And so this should make you more productive as you're drafting your plans. And this is the SPAddLabels command found within the sync pack.